Environmental problems affected humans. Some efforts have been found at the global level but few solutions. Why are there so few solutions? How to solve these problems? Environmental challenges have increasingly impacted human life. While global efforts to address these issues have emerged, actual solutions remain scarce. This essay will first outline the underlying reasons for the limited number of solutions before proposing some practical measures to mitigate environmental problems. One primary reason for the scarcity of effective solutions is the complexity of environmental issues. Problems like climate change and biodiversity loss are not confined to single regions but are global in nature, requiring coordinated international efforts. This complexity is compounded by differing national interests and economic priorities, making it challenging to reach consensus on global solutions. For example, while developed countries might advocate for stringent environmental regulations, developing countries often prioritize economic growth, perceiving environmental measures as a hindrance. The key to solving these problems lies in collaborative, tailored approaches. Developing countries should focus on sustainable development. This means adopting green technologies and practices that are both environmentally friendly and economically viable. For instance, investing in renewable energy sources like solar or wind power can reduce dependence on fossil fuels without hindering economic growth. Additionally, implementing education and awareness programs about sustainable practices can empower communities to make environmentally friendly choices. Developed nations, on the other hand, have a different role. They should lead by example in reducing carbon footprint and invest in research and development of sustainable technologies. Moreover, these nations should support developing countries through funding, technology transfer, and knowledge sharing. An example of this is the Green Climate Fund, which aims to assist developing nations in adapting to and mitigating climate change impacts. To summarize, the scarcity of solutions to environmental problems is rooted in the complexity of the issues. Addressing these challenges requires a concerted effort, with developed countries leading in innovation and support, and developing nations focusing on sustainable growth. Only through such tailored strategies can a balance between environmental conservation and economic development be achieved.